Hey everyone, how you doing? This video we're going to talk about Adobe XD and how to design pretty much anything you want with Adobe XD for free. Alright, as you can see here on the monitor, I've already designed prototypes, the UX part, and right now you might wonder, okay, so the dudes designed something. How are we going to design that? I should tell you that this is the whole tutorial of how to use Adobe XD and how to design anything we want with Adobe XD. So we're going to cover that all, and you don't have to worry at all. Just I should mention that right in the beginning of this video that the client I have is a Persian company, so I had to use all these texts and paragraphs in Persian. This is the Adobe XD visual design and the place we're going to work with. As you can see right here, there are several tools here. This is the select tool. It's like Photoshop. It has select tools. It's pretty much Photoshop because it's an Adobe program. All right. So this is the rectangle. We can design anything here. This is the circle. We can do anything we want with it. We can, yeah, all right. So I think you can work with these, these items. So let's skip to the main part. Before I start, let me just tell you that I recently got a new client. That clearly you can see that I got a new client, and I'm going to design a whole website for it. So this video is part of my next video, which is about the whole web design process. It's from the beginning of UX design, UI design, as you can see, and the whole website design with programming languages and WordPress and stuff. So I think hitting the subscribe button would be a good option for you if you don't want to miss that. So let's start it here. All right, as you can see, I have a new artboard here with things I want. So let me zoom, and all right, you can see I got a logo here. This is an icon. The Adobe XD itself does not have icons, so you have to download it from plugins. As you can see, I have multiple plugins here. Makes my job very easier with icons, with color, with patterns, with lots of stuff. I just don't know what this does because I recently downloaded it and I haven't used it. So we're going to turn this UX design into a whole beautiful UI. So let me first let me delete these things. Yeah, here we go. Yes. By the way, the client I have is, I think, something of a beauty company or something. It's got something to do with makeups and this kind of stuff. All right, so I'm gonna hit left click twice and this artboard is selected. So I'm going to here, as you can see on the right sidebar of my workspace, you can see the last item is grid. I can do that, and it has two options: squares, as you can see, and layout. So you want to choose layout first because you want to design a website. You don't want to, I don't know, you do something like AutoCAD or something. So this is the thing. All right, let me bring it here. It's great. All right. So it depends on what kind of website you're designing and what is your design. It's based on that. So my design, I want to have 80 pixels margin from each side of my here. So I choose here and select 80 pixels. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and choose rectangle option, I'm gonna draw it here and do other stuffs later. So as you can see, okay, so when you select something and when you draw anything you want, the right sidebar changes to the whole setting and information things. For example, you can see the height is 472 pixels, and the rotation here is as well, and that's it. So these two options are flipping options. You can flip horizontally and vertically. You can crop your item from here. Let me change the color so you can understand it better. Okay, you can crop it from here. This item works better in pictures. You can crop it vertically, and you can crop the whole thing at the same time. All right, so enough of this. So all right, in UX design you want to have a good fonts, good colors, good icons and stuff, and I'm going to tell you exactly what to do with each step, and you can see the result in the end. So for choosing color, you can choose whether with here, go drag anything you want and see what color works best for you. Or we have online tools on websites and on internet that you can choose your colors. Let me just, before we go there, let me change the border radius, and yeah, that's great. All right, so I can go to, usually I go to colors.co. You can see that I already have chosen my colors I want, and I So I removed the background from this tool, remove.bg. The link is down in the description. And then I added some drop shadow. As you can see, it's in the bottom of the right sidebar. There's an effects section. You can see that there's an inner shadow section and drop shadow. Also, I have this option here to add this. Now move my shadow a bit. Okay, there's the amount of that, and I want it to be like this. So that is great. So I have another plugin here called Adobe. It doesn't work. What the hell? Okay, no. Okay, I'm not gonna use it. So I have this one. I can make it a bit like this, bring it a bit here. That is good. Since what we're designing is UI, I wanted to be in the most beautiful shape that it possibly could be. So I'm gonna use a bit of my own creativity to see what we're dealing with. So by the way, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestion, anything you want to say, you can use the comment section. I will answer it as soon as I can. There's a plugin in Adobe Creative Cloud called Auto Grid. You can add grid layout to every shape that you want. So I choose 2 columns with 0 side margin. I choose my shape and analyze it. Then this box here just pops up for me and unlocks. I choose it, and I am going to come down here. I want to have like 95%. That's it. This is what I want. It makes my shape smoother and more organized, and in a good way. So let's see. For example, I don't know what the name of this product is. So for example, let me write something here. All right. Let's come here. What is the problem? Okay, let me send it to back. What is the problem here? I don't understand. Let's go to components. There is no component here. Okay, let's see. I have to. Hey, what is the problem with this? All right, it took some time for me to find best pictures because because I really care about pictures. So I think pictures are one of the most important elements in your UI designs, and they have to be relevant. So you have to take your time and spend a lot of time to have the best pictures for your each section and column or anywhere you want to use your picture. So here it is. And by the way, I made a little I changed it. I changed this section a bit. I don't know if it got better. If it got better or not. I think it's better. So let me know in the comment section if it got better or not. So this is the next section, which was this one for categories. They have 3 categories, and I have to find a better color for it. So one of the other disadvantages of Adobe XD that I don't know, maybe it has, but I couldn't find it so far. You can't cover your picture with any color, and you have to create another rectangle or circle or triangle or anything like that and reduce the transparency. So I don't know what color is the best for this section. No, it's not that. Sorry, it's this one. Let's see what color is the best. Hold on a second. So I don't know. I think this one's good. Yeah, I think this one is better. Yeah. So we come here. There, creatine. It's okay. Great. I'm starting to like this design. Because the first impression is really important for you. If you're in the beginning of your career, make sure to send your design after you're designing the whole. After you finish, send your design to some people, some of your friends, or if you got any colleague or something, and let them, let them give you their thoughts on your work, and this way you could become a great UI designer. By the way, if you want to become a UX designer, and if you don't know how to become a UX designer, there's a video that I published a while ago. The link is up here. I'm in the bottom of the video there. The link is somewhere in the video. Click on it. I think it's a good video. So let's get back to our design. This is it. So far, so good. Yeah, in the preview, it got really good. The preview is good. I think I just forgot. Oh, yeah, I forgot to add a bit of border radius. So I'm going to go with 6. I don't like really write a huge border radius. Between 6 to 10 is I think it's the best. I really like it. I don't know you. Okay, yes, that's it. I'm gonna go to 6 with this one. Let me see how we got. It's good. Nope, not you, sir. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, and this one 6. Great. Good. So far so good. I really like this thing. It's, yeah, right now it's better. Good. So the next section is their details or something is, oh yeah, it is their values. So I'm gonna write something. I don't know what to write because they haven't given me much information, and I'm just designing it. Pretty much me. By the way, make sure to watch the next video about web design process. You will understand the whole process that took me to design a whole website from beginning, the UX design, what questions to ask your client, how to design it, and right now you're watching the UI design part, and the next one is the most important. You gotta know how to design your website in browsers using WordPress or using programming languages, codes, and I use WordPress for my projects and include some of the programming languages I know, like HTML and CSS if I needed to. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with icons here. Let's find what do we have here. I wanna know. No, not this one. Okay, I'm gonna go with truck. Shows. Yes. Okay, not 2. I need only 1. Make sure to download these tools because they're really gonna help you in your process. Okay, so I'm gonna draw some rectangles here again, and I have to make sure that it fully that it designed fully fantastic. I want this design to be awesome because every design should be awesome. All right, I'm gonna change this icon color. I do this. Nope, nope, no, 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 sir, no, sir. I go with this. I do this. That's it, baby. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I have to bring it to front. I make it a bit bigger, and that is it. Yeah. Alright, let's design something like this. I don't know, never mind. I will make it better in the final result. So I'm gonna go with this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make it black. And it's big. It's too big. Yeah, the only problem I have with Adobe XD is that I never can come up with the best sizing in this application. I always use better, sizing in WordPress and stuff, but it doesn't get to me. I don't know why. I really don't know why. So this is the first one. I still think it's pretty big, but yeah, I gotta do it. I just gotta do it. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Yes, I think it's better. All the paddings are good. All the margins are good. And yeah, let me see in the preview. That's bad. It's still bad. Oh, whoa, where are you going? No, okay, it's 36. I wanted to be 24, and as you know, we gotta make it balance the sizing between these two, and in the end, this one. So now I think it's a bit better. The only problem is that they're not. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's see. I think it's better. I think it's better. But by the way, this is not the final result. This is just a prototype. I want my client to know what I came up with, and then when when they accept it, I usually do this formula. I send a prototype with like this. This is just a prototype. I send them to see what did I come up with, and if they accept the design, I will work on it and I will make it better in different parts. For example, I add some patterns. I add multiple colors and gradients, more like this section, and things like that, just like that. Okay, so let's see what is this. Okay, it's another picture here. I have to copy and paste it down here. It's good. So okay, this is the creatine. This is, I want to go with buttocks, and I really don't know how women spell these things. This is really hard. Yeah, alright. I am removing them, and I've got one more credit to go. So I think this one's the best. Yeah. Yeah, let me see. Oh, come on. This was a creatine. What was that? This is, but yeah, that is it, baby. Yeah, so, not this one. This one's great. I download the HD and I got no credits. and I had no. Okay, I have to download like this. So I bring it here and make it a bit smaller. Let me see how it. Yeah, it's just like this. Okay, but this time I want to make a little balance here, and I don't want people to follow the same line. So I change the direction. I will take it to here. I will bring it here and rotate it a bit, make it better. Yep, that is pretty much it. Okay, so right now I have to add a little drop shadow, and let me do that. Okay, so I did it. I had to pause the video because there's a little overlay of me right here and I couldn't do it. So let's see. Okay, so I have to change the background color, and let's just do that. Here we go. I think this one's not bad. Let's try it on this design, and nah, it's not good. I don't like it. Let's do it like this. It's too bright, it's too bright. Yeah, I think it's not bad. I don't think it's bad. Yes, it's not bad. It's good. Let's rotate it a bit more, and yeah, that's the stuff. Look, that is the stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna choose one of my plugins here that I already used, Adobe. I want to analyze them and come up with, hold on, okay, no, 87, no, not 87, I want 10 pixels. Oh no, I want 2, only 2, yeah, 2. Let's sorry for that problem, that was an error, and that is it's yes, hey, it's not bad. Yeah, all right, hold on a second, let's see what happened. Okay, I'll bring it a bit here. Okay, and let's write something. I want to write Botox shampoo. Yeah. I'll change the direction from here, Botox shampoo, and then I want to change to thunder. Okay, let me do something here I forgot to do. It's Botox shampoo. Okay, that is great. Now I want to go to thunder. This is one of my favorite fonts, Botox shampoo. If you if you focused on my thumbnails, I recently used this font all the time. It's great. It's just great. Okay. So there's the Botox shampoo, and make it here, Botox shampoo. That is great. So I have to change it to white because it literally doesn't look good with this, and we'll bring it forward. Botox shampoo. That is wonderful. Okay, and I don't think it's really look good here. Like, let's see. That is it. Botox shampoo. I don't know. Choosing the color is pretty tough. You gotta use all these. Yeah, I think this one's better. Yeah, let's see. Yes, I think this one's better. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, so make it a bit bigger. and that's it. Great. Okay, so I want to come up with title. Writing title is not my job uh, as a UI designer. So yes, okay. Uh, oh, I just write a prototype text here. Let's see. Yes, that is it. Okay, now it's great. One of the other disadvantages that Adobe XD has is it can't justify text. I don't know why it's just a big problem. In UI, making text justify is a big deal, but hey, all right. Never mind. Let's do that. Here we go. I will have to write a lorem ipsum. Let's see, where is that? Okay, that's it. Lorem ipsum. Okay, accepted. Oh no, sorry. Oh dude, that is not a good thing. Trim height. Okay. There's a text area selected right now, and I want you to come on. What is the matter with you? Okay, let's go to 15. Hey, dude. I want to go to 15. Last setting. Yeah, this one's better. Okay. So that is it. Okay. And then I would want to have my button right here, right below this one, below my text, and I think this one's good. This is great. Hold on, nope, sorry, my bad. Okay, we're great. It works just great. Change the border radius, deleting this, and we write this one. Great. This text. Yes. Okay. So now let's have a preview of what we've designed so far. Okay, these are the header. I wonder if it was good to create a border here, but never mind. Okay. These are good. This is good. This looks great. And let's come down here to see what did I design here. Great. Great. I copied these and I paste it right here. Great. Now I'm gonna use one of their like this here. Good. It looks good. Okay, no, never mind. Sorry. I did bad job here. Great. Nope, that is good. Okay, then come on, why are these pictures all vertical? Okay, I hate vertical pictures. That's it. No, that's not it. Oh, yes, that's it. Yes, and we'll see what we have here. That is great. That is great. This one here, good. And what do we have here? And we've got these two photos here. That's great, and that is it. So far, if you've learned something here, I hope you've learned at first, first step. If you like this video so far, please put the like button so this video gets spread out and I could have the chance to help more people. Thank you. So let's go to UX design, and we've got article part, and the one below that. So let's write something. Great. Everything is great. Everything is great. Now we are going to copy this section, come down here, and paste it. That is pretty well. Great. So I'm going to use some of their photos and come here. Hey, that was pretty good. Yeah, that is a pretty good. Okay, yes. So now let's see. Okay, these are good. Good, not bad. Not bad. Okay, I think there's some patterns required in here. Let's create that. Yes, there's. Yes. Okay, so there are several ways to create patterns. You can design it with circles. You can create them with squares. There are several things, but I usually do it with circles. It looks better, I think. Okay, so it's too big. Let's make it a bit smaller, and that is better. Good. So I'm going to choose this one. I go to my plugins and come down here to pattern maker, and I create that, and yeah, I choose that 3, but 3 is not enough. I'm gonna go for 5. No, I'm gonna go for 8 and in 4 rows, and the padding should be something around 20, I guess. Yeah, 20 is a lot. 20 is a lot, buddy. 20 is a lot. Okay, we go to 5. Yeah, that is good. That is good. So I'm gonna create another pattern, and whoa, that is not good. That is not good. Okay, so I just copy this one, I copy and paste this one. I bring it down a little, and okay, I think it would be a lot. 5. Yes, so that is good. So let's see in the preview. No, and yes, that is it. Yeah, that looks better. It looks much better. But there's something wrong here. Yes, there is something wrong here. 4, 5. Yes, that is great. That is great. And we can copy and paste them again. And this time it looks better. Yeah, this time it looks much better. I hope so. I hope. I really hope. Alright. Whoa, no. Yes, that's it. We come down here. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. And that is it. So, one more thing to go. One more thing to do. I'm so one more thing to go. Alright, one more thing to do is this. We come down here, make it a bit bigger, and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. Good. So I'm gonna do go to that. That is good. Whoa, no, sorry. Yeah. I do that. It's centered, also centered, and 20. It's good. And okay, we come zoom it a bit. Yes. Let's see. Okay, this is good, and this one is good as well. 20, yay, that is good. Okay, we create a little placeholder. Uh, okay, so our placeholder is done. We need to make it a bit smaller. We need to make it a bit, right now it's a bit bigger by 3, and change it to this. Yes, that is it. Okay, so I'm gonna need a good picture for this section, and let's go find something in Unsplash. I'm gonna pause it for a few seconds. Of course you don't understand it, but come on. So I chose my picture, and right now I need a color. This time I want to go with yellow. Let's see what it has for me. This one's not bad. Yeah, this one's good. This one is good. Okay, I'm going to fill it with this one. It's good. Good, it's good. And okay, so now I'm going to make it send it backward. I really don't like this. Oh, sorry. No, what happened? Yeah, everything is in order. So that is it. That is it. Yeah, but let's go here. Let's go here and go to color.adobe.com. I want to create a color palette with different colors to make a good contrast here, and this is really important. Okay, so I go here, I click here. As you can see, it simply suggests some of the best colors for based on this one, based on the color you've input, and you can choose that. Let's see, how does this go with it? Hey, it's not bad. Yeah, it is not bad. Make it white. Yes, but it doesn't go with the whole thing, you know. Yeah. Let me change this one. Yeah, it's better. It's much better. Okay, so let's see how it turned out to be. That is it. That's it. Yes. And that's pretty much for today. I think you've learned everything you needed to, even plugins, how to download plugins, what plugins to download, and everything is good. If you have any suggestion, anything to say, don't forget to write your speech in comment section, and I will answer you as soon as possible. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to watch the next video as well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next video, stay safe.